Imagine a place where the sea glistens like liquid sapphire, where villages of white and blue cling to hillsides under the warm Mediterranean sun. A place where time slows down, flavors awaken your soul, and the breeze carries the echoes of ancient myths. This is not a dream. It's the Greek islands, a paradise where nature, history, and heart blend into one unforgettable experience. The beauty of the Greek islands lies not only in their landscapes, but in their soul. Each island offers a unique expression of Greece's charm. Santorini, with its dramatic caldera views and iconic sunsets, Mykonos, with its cosmopolitan flair and whitewashed alleyways, and Crete, with its wild mountains and ancient Minoan legends. The beaches range from golden stretches to hidden coves with turquoise waters so clear they seem unreal. Whether you're exploring volcanic cliffs or lounging under olive trees, every corner radiates magic. But it's not just about the views, it's about the feeling. The Greek islands awaken something timeless. You'll find it in the laughter of locals sharing ouzo in a seaside taverna, in the melodies of traditional music drifting through the air, in the smell of grilled octopus and wild herbs on the breeze. You'll feel it walking through centuries-old ruins, touching stones that have stood through ages of empires and stories. And while each island is different, there's one common thread: authenticity. Whether you wander through the pastel harbor of Simi, hike the hills of Naxos, or take a boat to secluded shores on Milos, the islands offer a deep, natural connection to both land and spirit. Here, simplicity becomes luxury. Beauty isn't manufactured, it's inherited, raw, and real. The Greek islands are more than just a destination. They're a feeling, a rhythm, a timeless story still unfolding. Their beauty speaks softly, but lingers forever, etched in memory, carved in sunlight. Whether you've been or dreamed to go, one thing's certain: the Mediterranean has never looked more magical. If the Greek islands call to your heart, you're not alone. This paradise is waiting to be part of your story.